Hello. I am Jane. Looks like you guys just caught me having a cup of coffee. This place is a cafe. Say it with me. Cafe. 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 Wow, you guys are wonderful. Very well done. I think it is not your first time learning English. Well, anyway, I would like to finish my coffee now. Good luck with the rest of the lesson.
Ahem.
Hello. I am Zara. Please excuse me. I have been feeling a little ill, so I have come to the pharmacy to get my medicine. Let us say it together. Pharmacy. 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 Wow. You are all so smart.
Ahem.
Sorry, all of you. I am still sick. I will get my medicine now. Have fun.
Hello everyone. I am so happy you are here. I am in the library doing my assignments. Library. Say it with me. Library. 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 Good job everyone. You are all so smart. Now, if you will excuse me, I have some reading to finish. I really do not want to, but I have to. And
Wow. You surprised me. I am Julie. I was just relaxing at home after a long day. Home. Say it with me. Home. 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 Great job. You guys completed this lecture. You should be so proud.
can we relax now? I had such a long day.
Yes, Uncle Peter. We can relax now. You guys relax at home too. Great job, everyone. Take care.
Good morning. What would you like for breakfast?
Good morning. I think I would like some fruit.
Fruit? Okay, what kind of fruit would you like?
Do we have apples? Maybe apples?
We also have melons.
Yes, melons are great. But what about grapes? I like grapes.
I love oranges. What about an orange?
Yes, oranges are great. I do prefer persimmons.
Sorry, we don't have persimmons. I forgot to buy them. Will watermelon be okay?
I like watermelon, but not today. I am not in the mood.
We also have bananas. Bananas are great for breakfast.
Yes, they are, but bananas are rather boring. Perhaps we can have blueberries? I love blueberries.
I have a great idea. We can have a fruit salad. With all the fruit. Of course, without persimmons.
Yes! That's a fantastic idea.
Hello there. Welcome. I am guessing you have come here to learn English. Not to worry. We will proceed with our lesson. Hold on tight. It will be a bumpy ride. Today, we will learn seasons in English. The first season is spring. Say it with me. Spring. 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 Very good. Make sure you take your time to practice. The second season of year is summer. Say it with me. Summer. 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 Very good. You guys are great. Remember to take as much time as you need. The third season is autumn. Say it with me. Autumn. 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 Wow. You guys are superstars. Keep practicing.
Last, but not least.
Wow. It just got so cold. The last season is winter. Say it with me. Winter. 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 Great work. I am so happy for you guys. That's all for today. Don't forget to practice. Let us go over what we have learned. Spring. Summer. Autumn. Winter. Now I need to get out of here. It is freezing. See you next time. Bye.
Hello, Zach. How are you? I am fine. How are you? I am also fine. Hey, Pete. What did Mom say she needed again? I forgot. She said she wanted 3 pounds of salmon. No, maybe it was 2. Oh well. Nothing to do except to call her. First we should look for the other items on the list. Yes. Let us do that. What was on the list? She wanted bread. Just 1 loaf of bread. Okay, I can grab that from the bread aisle. Anything else? She wanted feta cheese, tomatoes, lettuce and lemon. She also wanted the salmon. However, we both don't remember how much she wanted. I will just give her a call as I grab tomatoes, lettuce and lemons. You can grab the bread. Sounds good. Okay, sounds good. See you in a few minutes.
Hey Peter. How are you?
Hey Stella. Wow! I did not know that you worked here.
Ha ha ha, neither did I. Today is my first day. I hope no one fires me yet.
No way. You are way too nice. If you do not mind, I will just leave the bread and go outside. My brother will come and I am sure he will give me a hard time.
Of course, we do not want the baby brother to bother you. Call me later, okay? I have some homework to do and maybe we can do it in the pizza place we went to last time.
Yes! That would be fantastic. I will call you later. I got to go. You are such an angel. Hello. Did you see a tall, skinny, blonde guy here?
Like you? Nope.
Oh well. Just these items then.
Sure. No problem.
Hey, aren't you my brother's friend?
I am. My name is Stella.
I am Zach. Well, it was nice to meet you. Have a nice day.
You too, Zach. Hello. Welcome. My name is Jane. How are all of you? Today I am so happy to teach you emotions in English. Of course there are so many emotions, but don't worry. I will start with the basics. For the first emotion, I will start with sad. Sad. Say it with me. Sad. Sad. Well done. Make sure to take your time. Next emotion will be happy. Say it with me. Happy. 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 Great job. You guys are so good. Next emotion will be angry. Say it with me. Angry. 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 Great. You are all so smart. You all should be so proud of yourselves. Next will be afraid. Say it with me. Afraid. 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 Great job. You are all so amazing. Let us finish off here. Emotions are hard to demonstrate, so let us do little by little. Until then, take care.
Oh my god. What happened here? What happened to my beautiful home?
Hello, honey. How are you? I am so sorry, but it looks like we were robbed.
How am I? I am so upset right now. How will we fix this? How did this happen?
Sweetie, try to relax. It will be okay. It is only a small setback. Let me take you outside for a coffee to help you feel better.
I don't think coffee will fix this, but you are right. I think I need a moment to relax. Let's go.
Mom and Mehmet left and the boys met in the living room. Mom looked very sad, right? Yes. I heard her crying. What can we do? The place is completely destroyed. Come on, Zach. You know what we have to do. We should clean this place up while Mother is gone. She will feel so much better if we can try to make it look good. I really don't feel like cleaning. However, you are right. I will grab a broom and you grab a garbage bag. Let's get to work.
Are you feeling better? You did not say a word yet. I am getting worried.
There are no words. I am very upset. I will get over it. At the end of the day, the most important things are family and friends. The other things do not matter. Thank you for the coffee. I think I feel more calm. Let's go home. We should start cleaning.
I just want you to be happy. I hate to see you sad. I am happy you enjoy the coffee. Okay, we can start to go. Mom arrives home and she is shocked.
Guys. Who is home? Guys.
Hey, Mother. Surprise!
You guys did this? You boys are the best sons I could ever ask for.
Mom, do not cry, please. We love you so much. We just want you to be happy.
I am so happy, my darling. Thank you so much for being my son.
Did she see it yet? Yep, she sure did.
I sure did. Thank you so much, guys. I love you guys so much. You boys are more important than any home.
I had ordered pizza because we all had a long day.
Yay, pizza. What a fantastic idea.
Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe for more.